Hello kids! It's Ava. I welcome you in another exciting video made by Ophelia. Today we will learn the capital letter K. Are you ready for another magical journey? Let's get started. Can you guess? What is she drawing today? Yay! You guessed it right. It's a kite. K as in kite. Ophelia has chosen 4 colors to paint the kite. This color is magenta color. Slow and steady, she is painting the kite. Did you see this? How amazingly she zoomed in. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, just happy little accidents, right? What a fantastic job, kiddo! I see your patience and creativity shining through. Kids, your creativity knows no bounds. Each color is like a chapter in your story. What tale will you tell today? This is a blue color. Big brushes, small brushes, every brush has its own magic. What's your favorite, kids? So kids, do you want to tell which color she would choose next? She is using green color now. Do you know, kids, around the edges, she always uses small paintbrush. Kids, let's turn our canvases into a playground of imagination. Who knows? What wonders will you bring to life with your colors? This is red color. How vibrant color is this? I just love it so much. She has almost colored the whole kite. What do you think, friends? Can you paint a world where the trees are pink and the sky is sparkly blue? And who's ready to explore new shades and hues? What do you think, friends? What this part of a kite is called? It's a kite's tail. The word kite starts with the letter K. K as in kite. Every stroke tells a story. What's your painting telling you today, kids? She is using a light brown color. And now, the letter K itself. Ophelia, you're so impressive. Let's color the letter K together. You're not just coloring. You're making the world a brighter place with each stroke, Ophelia. Can you guess this color's name? You are right again. It's a magenta color. Just few more seconds, kids. She'll write, "Thank you," with so much love. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit like and subscribe if you appreciate her work and what we bring to you every time. See you next time.